inserting a link and comment, inserting a comment as well as a link, we already learned in our docs as well as in a sheets also. Here also similar application it will be. For example, this particular chart, if you like to insert some link, okay, if they click on this particular chart, okay, it has to take back to a previous slide. Okay, then how to make it possible? First we have to select where you would like to insert a link, select that object, go to insert, click on here link, and you can link any external link also, whatever you would like to search it on a web pages, those links also you can do. Or you can go to a particular slide in your slide itself, in the sense in your presentation itself. Okay, particular slide like next slide, if you click on this particular link, a particular chart, it will go to next slide or previous one or first one. Okay, last slide or demo, like that, which slide if you like to take it, this particular if they click on this particular image, where it should be taken, I will say previous slide and say apply. Okay, for example, if you go to the presentation mode, you will come to know that now it is presented this particular page. If I click on this particular image, this particular chart, what will happen? It will take them back to a previous chart. Again, previous chart, in the sense previous slide it will be taken. That is about inserting a link. Okay, and one more thing we can inserting a comment, like for example, your teammate would like to know why you have been inserted this particular chart here. Okay, to for that we can insert a comment, go to insert comment, and you can write the comment. Okay, you can write the comment. Okay, and at the rate you can say that a person name also. Okay, so that we can write the comment in a comment for your presentation in a particular thing. Okay, for example, the person who is open this particular presentation, and he will read that comment, okay, to whom it has been, and again he can reply back to that particular person who has been already commented, his answer can be replied back. Okay, this is about inserting a link and inserting a comment.